Hello, it's D.I.Y Cook. If you're looking for authentic Filipino ginataang, this Ginataang Chicken Wings with Okra is exactly what you need. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Watch until the end. First, you have to heat up the wok and some oil. Add the aromatics, which are the tomato, ginger, onion, and garlic. And saute them all. Add the chicken wings. Again, saute them all. Add water and simmer it for 30 minutes. Add salt and pepper. Add fish sauce. And mix it all. Add coconut milk. Again, mix it all. Add the okra. Add the spinach. Again, mix it all. It's nearly done now. And lastly, we're gonna garnish it with spring onions and fresh coriander leaves. Ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon for more recipes. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye-bye!